Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fermented cabbage, full guide. Start by cleaning your tools and choosing fresh heads of cabbage, then salt and pack tightly into jars. I will walk you through shredding, salting ratios, packing methods, weight options, and how to monitor fermentation safely. You will learn troubleshooting tips, flavor variations like garlic or caraway, and simple serving ideas to enjoy your kraut. Begin by removing outer leaves and core, then slice or shred cabbage to your preferred thickness. Sprinkle measured salt and massage until cabbage releases liquid to form a brine, or use a prepped brine method if you prefer. Pack cabbage firmly into jars, leaving headspace, and add weights to keep cabbage submerged under brine. Label jars with date, then place in a cool spot to ferment and check daily for bubbling. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation. I recently enjoyed The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money and calm decision-making, which pairs nicely with slow projects like fermenting cabbage. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you like practical recommendations, consider picking it up. Now let's get back to the video. Maintain a consistent environment and taste often so you learn how time affects flavor and texture. If a scum forms, skim it off. If mold appears on exposed areas, remove that portion and ensure future batches stay submerged. Use weights, clean cloth lids, or airlock lids to control oxygen exposure. Record batch details like salt percentage, temperature, and days fermented to improve future batches and create reliable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.